So the tornado was skipping. It was over. Like I said, the neighborhood. Oh my gosh. Hey, how you doing? Everybody is fine. It doesn't seem like anybody's hurt. It's a lot of damage. Lots of damage. Well, not lots of damage, but minimum damage compared to what could have happened if it would have touched down and really got after it. See, everybody I spoke with could feel it. They got hit pretty hard. As far as from what I see, as far as the damage, that their roof is pretty much gone. I've only walked a block. So from what I see, as far as house damage, they got hit pretty hard. As far as compared to everybody else's.